Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So right now we're going to talk about getting students into your Google Classroom. There are a few ways to do that. I'm going to go back to our test class here, and there is the class code up here. So I can click on that display, and you could maybe even take a screenshot and give that to kids. You could highlight it and copy it. Keyboard shortcut is Control C, or you can right click and copy. And then you can email that to your students or ask a colleague to share it in their Google Classroom, something along those lines. The other way is to physically add them. So at the top here, we have the tabs for the stream, for classwork, for people, and grades. When you click on that people tab, that is how you can add a co-teacher. So if you wanted to invite your inclusion teacher, or maybe the other Algebra 1 teacher is going to work with you in this Google Classroom, the two of you could share this same class. But here is where we invite students. So you can click on that, and I know it says type a name or an email, but let's just say, I don't know, I'm going to look up Ernesto. I mean, it's not going to yield any results because it's not really set up to do that. So the best way is to find your students' information. Remember, their username is their student ID number plus their first initial, the first initial of their first name and the first initial of their last name at gisd.k12.nm.us. That's their email. So once you do that, you can copy and put that in there, but that's a lot of work. So I would actually recommend just using that code. And kids are very kind. I think they would share out the information with their peers. I think your colleagues would share it out. But that code is the important thing to get kids into your classroom. That's what they need. All right. If you have any other questions, suggestions, or fun comments for me, let me know. Otherwise, keep watching.